Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello, tankers. In this video, I will explain how to play the Tiger H1. This iconic German heavy tank is a true beast on the battlefield, but it requires a specific playstyle to truly shine. Your primary strength lies in its powerful 8.8 centimeter cannon, which is incredibly accurate and destructive at long distances. Remember, the Tiger H1 is not a brawler. Instead, position yourself to support your team from a distance, picking off enemy tanks with precise shots. The Tiger H1's armor is strong, but only if you use it correctly. Always angle your hull at about 40 to 45 degrees towards the enemy. This simple technique significantly increases your effective armor thickness, making it much harder for opponents to penetrate. However, be aware of your commander's cupola, which is a known weak spot. Also, avoid overangling, as this can expose your thinner side armor, especially the lower 62mm section. Your 8.8 centimeter KWK-36L/56 cannon is incredibly potent. The PZGR-39 APC shell is your go-to for its reliable penetration and explosive filler, often resulting in one-shot kills. For even more destructive power, carry some PZGR rounds, which have greater explosive filler, though slightly less penetration. To enhance your survivability, limit your total ammunition to around 28 rounds. This keeps the large side ammo racks empty, reducing the chance of detonation. To be truly effective, play the Tiger H1 as a long-range sniper and support vehicle. Utilize your gun's excellent accuracy to engage targets from a distance where your armor is most effective. Always seek cover, going hull down whenever possible to protect your lower hull. Stick with your teammates. Your slower speed makes you vulnerable to flanking maneuvers. After firing, consider relocating to keep enemies guessing and prevent them from pinpointing your position for a counterattack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.